Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to come across my channel for the first time, hello, you're welcome. To my returning subscribers, yeah, you guys are the bomb. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to ventilate a braided wig to look natural without outline method. So if this sounds like what you want to learn, then stay tuned and keep watching. The first thing is to get a net of your choice, a Swiss lace net of your choice. Any measurement, full lace, frontal net, any measurement of your choice, then place it on your mannequin head or your canvas head, pin it down, and get your ventilating needle and the hair you want to use and start. So I'm going to pin down my net on my mannequin head. After I've pinned the net down, I'm going to start ventilating in a diagonal method. So you can ventilate any method that you want, any method that you are comfortable with, except in a straight line. If you ventilate in a straight line, it's not going to give you an in-between ventilation or maybe a natural ventilation. So choose any pattern that you are comfortable with, except a straight line ventilation. So don't start at the front or just don't do a straight line ventilation in this method. For the strands of hair to pick 2 strands of hair to make it look natural. By mistake, you can pick 3 strands of hair, but be careful to pick 2 strands of hair. In that case, let the 2 strands of hair you are picking be more than the 3 strands of hair that you mistakenly picked. As you can see, I'm picking 2 strands of hair. I'm carefully picking 2 strands of hair. For the line to skip in this ventilation, I'm skipping one line, and when I mean one line, I'm skipping a line that doesn't have hole. So if you skip a line and it has hole, that means it's not this method. So skip one line that doesn't have a hole. So when you ventilate, then you skip the next hole and ventilate the other one. So this means one line, one hole, and we are doing a diagonal ventilation. Yeah, I'm done ventilating, and this how it looks like. This how it looks from the inside. As you can see, it's looking in between ventilation. So this is how it looks, and I ventilated the front part. I picked 1 strand of hair at the front part. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to be treating the hair to make it look silky. Put the hair in a bowl and pour hot water. This step is optional. You can decide to skip this method and ventilate, but why I'm doing this is to treat the hair and also to make it look more natural. So I allowed it to stay for some time, like 2 minutes. Then look at it. I applied a leave-in conditioner to it. After soaking it in leave-in conditioner for the first time, I decided to apply another leave-in conditioner again to make it more silky. Guys, this step is absolutely optional. You can skip this method if you cannot grip the hair too tight, because doing this method makes the hair to feel extremely soft. So I'm going to comb it after I've applied the leave-in conditioner to it. Then after that, I rinsed it out and allow it to dry. Yeah, this is how it looks when it's wet. As you can see, it looks natural already. This is how it looks from the back. We are going to allow it to dry. Now it's dry and I already put it as wig. So I'm going to put it on my manicure head and start braiding. The next step is to section the hair from the center. Give it a center pattern. Next, I applied a hair cream to it. After center parting, this is how it should look like, because already there is no outline method to this. Now I'm going to section it piece by piece and start braiding. For the front part, I ventilated it, so I'm not going to pick it. I did it for a baby edges. I ventilated that one strand of hair. So after making the hair, the next thing is to pour hot water on it, which is the usual method. And guys, I'm done, and this is how it looks like, and this is how the front looks like. So this is one of the ways to make a braided wig to look natural without outline method. This is how the whole wig looks like. If this video was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think about the wig. Also, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to be part of this family. Thank you for staying. Bye.